Right guys, another unboxing here with the Huepar and Huepar, and this is a laser level, but I'll get it out here. I know we'll have some other laser levels on the channel, so it'll be a good comparison to be able to make. Oh, I'm going to fade it out of the box. There we go. Oh, I like this now. Straight away. That looks class. Look at that, guys. Pretty sturdy box. Let's see. Sometimes these clips on drill cases can be a nightmare when stuff doesn't go in. But if you get a look at that, guys, that is some case. That is very good, impressive case. So what I've got there. Right, so again, I'll probably have to get a quick look at the instructions, put it all together, get a look. That's the main part there, guys, the laser. That looks pretty good. You just do know on this build alone I had a laser level the bottoms of the doors over to the bottoms of these door frames, just to make sure that when I come to do the floor, the whole floor comes in right. Again, here's another laser level to test out and try, and when it comes screen, it might be good to use for the screen, get a lot of marks, and also if I ever do any cornices around the tops. And in this room I was thinking of doing something a wee bit different on the ceiling, and a laser level would come in handy to make sure everything looks really good. Oh, there's a battery inside. Must admit, them batteries, they're obviously rechargeable batteries and they look pretty good. So there's a battery in it. Go. So there's the laser level on. See how well that balances. And what I noticed is it's nice and bright. If you look at the gap under the door, it looks pretty even. So I think I've done a good job there. But yeah, it's got lots of functions. Horizontal, and then just the vertical as well. That's up and down. If you look over here, I'll get to that end as well, yes. See if that would be good for. Let's see. Look at line up. Oh, and it's beeping to tell us that it's not level. Again, I haven't read the instructions, guys, so let's see if we can get it on that corner. See how tidy the corner is. Again, corner's not a million miles away. So the likes of beating might not be so bad. So, snap it off here. So far, straight out of the box, this looks very capable. I like the fact that it beeped when it wasn't level, like a wee warning. I like that. I'm going to set this up, guys, and I'm going to have a look at this floor here. You can also get it mounted on a tripod. I'm not sure what all this stuff is. I'll have to get a proper look at the instructions. It comes with a plug and a USB. I know when you buy like Samsung phones and stuff now that you have to go and buy charger's separate, which to me is a bit mad. But yeah, I'll figure out how you charge it. It seems to have a remote as well. Not sure what the batteries are for. Maybe you can just use batteries in it also, which is good. It means you've got, now with this one particular, this Huepar one, it has 2 batteries. There's a battery in it and a battery there, and then obviously you can use possibly these batteries to have charge as well. Let's see how hard this is to set up. But I must admit, guys, as well, it looks pretty robust. The laser itself. But let's see if we can set this back up again and get underneath the door and see how good we are. So it seems to be flicking on there. And you can go up or down with this and forward. I think I might be on the lowest setting so far. Well, I'll try and raise it up to see if I can get the top of the door in. Back and forward. How do you get back and forward? Well, I'm not going to be able to get it up and down just as of yet, unless I set it on something and figure this out a wee bit more. Oh, is it just a lock, is it? I'll need to mess about with it a wee bit more, but so far, pretty impressed. Pretty impressed with this laser. At that box. It shows you how level the door is. Possibly. Hopefully that's not that's not right, otherwise that door's off a wee bit. Yeah guys, there's definitely more to come from this laser level on the channel, no doubt. That's around this new build to be done. So you will see it more in your future.